Hey guys, welcome back to another Lightning McQueen OG video. Today we're going to be looking at my Radiator Springs collection. First we've got my Mater variants. Regular Mater, brand new Mater, my special Darth Vader Mater, Tokyo Drift Mater, Hydraulics Ramon, Green Ramon, Blue Ramon, Uncle Topolino, my Guido variants, and Luigi. Next up, we got another Blue Ramon, Sarge, Doc Hudson, Hank, Greta, Nick Stickers, Giovanni, a very beat up Giovanni, Sheriff, Sally, Fillmore. We got one of Giovanni's friends, Boost, Snotrod, Wingo. Last but not least, DJ.